Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. This is the V-twin fuel injected liquid cooled, and it's got the skinny front tire on it, shaft drive, brand new front tire, and only 4,400 miles on this gorgeous metallic red Shadow 750. It's also got the passenger backrest and luggage rack. Come on by and make your low 25-inch seat height cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we got 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. From Contra Costa Powersports.